Good morning and or good afternoon. I'm Pawan Dylan, and this is my submission for the eMath Excel project. So for my project, for first step, for the first part of the project, I like to display my values for 4A and 4B. Likely to display my formulas. The difference between these two is this is plus square root and this is minus square root. This is just taking the raw number, and these two are using calculations acquired from the completing the square formula. For 5A, I have already done the input values to get as close as the result as I could, because without knowing the exact formula, I would not be able to get it. Secondly, for 5B, I would be able to. For 5B, I'll be using the values acquired from x equals to 0, x equals to 1, and x equals to 2. I shall be doing my working on a separate Excel sheet, and I have a calculator with me, unmodified, to do the equations here. To get the values of A and B, I will be doing them by quadratics, by substituting the values here and here into this equation. For my equation 1, I'll be using the x equals 1, y equals to negative 0.129. So we'll be from here. This will be equals to negative 0.129. A x would be now be 1, and C would be the value of C, which is 0.735. 0.735, which is also the y-intercept. The y-intercept of this graph. The square of 1 is 1. So this would then simplify into, this was what, the y of negative 0.129 equals, oh no, it is already, never mind. That's a weird error. Either way, redo it here. So once again, substituting it in, it will be negative 0.129 1 1. This would then simplify. Can simplify into negative 0.129 equals to A plus B plus the, well, minus the 0.735. Substitute over, it would become, taking this over, by adding, to add this on both sides, it will become plus this, which will then become 0.735 minus 0.129, which will give us, on our calculator, AB equals to 0.606. For the other value, I'll be taking the second value of x. So when x is equals to 2, b equals to 2, c is still the same, negative 0.735. And now y is 0.867. A2 squared is 4, so this will become 4a. B times 2 will be 2b. And once again, I shall be taking the negative 0.735. I'll be add 0.735 to both sides of the equation. This will result in a plus 0.735 here. And this, based on the calculator, 0.867 plus 0.735. This will result in a value of 1.602. From here, I could take this. This will be my 1, and be my 1, and this is my 2. Quadratically, I will be taking 1 times 2, which will be 0.606 times 2. So it will be this equal, will give me this value, it will become 1.212 equals to 2a plus 2b, which I can then change. Actually, no, I don't need to change this. To become my, oh yeah, I do need to change this. Change it to move the a over, so it will become negative 2a equals to positive 2b. So by 3. And the other value from 2, taking 2, I shall be having 1.602 equals to 4a, 4a plus 2b. Since 2b is that, we can substitute that into plus 1.212 minus 2a. To remove this, I will deduct 1.212 from both sides. So this will become minus this, minus 1.602 minus 1.212 will result in a 0.39, 0.39. 4a minus 2a will result in 2a. And dividing 0.39 again, 0.39, 2, it will give me 0.1995. This would be, so 0.195 equals to a. Substitute this into my equation 1, 0.606 minus, it will be equals to 0.195 plus b. Deduct this from both sides. Deduct 0.195 from both sides would result in positive b. So therefore, b would be equals to 0.411. So a would be 0.195, b would be 0.411. Plugging these values back into the graph, a is 0.195, b is 411, and c would be 0.735. And this will result in a perfect overlap of a y over the target curve. I hope that this has demonstrated my ability to use Microsoft Excel and also have proven my mathematical knowledge to you. Thank you for watching.